So, if you keep getting random Roblox error codes in 2026, don't worry, because you're definitely not the only one. A lot of players right now are dealing with connection errors, login problems, server issues, or game loading failures. And honestly, seeing an error code pop up out of nowhere can be really frustrating, especially when you just want to play normally. But the good news is, most Roblox error codes are actually pretty easy to fix once you know what's causing them. So in this video, I'm going to show you the most common reasons these errors happen and exactly how to fix them step by step. All right, first let's start with the most common issue, your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the biggest reasons Roblox throws error codes. So the first thing you should do is refresh your connection completely. Restart your Wi-Fi disconnect and reconnect your device, then launch the game again. A lot of times, this fixes the issue immediately. Now, another very common problem: server outages. Sometimes the platform itself is having issues and there's nothing wrong with your device at all. If games suddenly stop loading or you can't log in, try waiting a few minutes and testing again later, because honestly, server overload happens pretty often during busy hours. Now let's talk about updates. If your game version is outdated, some features may stop working correctly, or certain games may fail to launch completely. So here's the fix: open your app store or launcher and make sure Roblox is fully updated. This is one of the easiest fixes, but people forget it all the time. Now, another major cause of error codes: corrupted cache files. Over time, temporary files can build up and create conflicts inside the game. So if Roblox keeps crashing, freezing, or showing errors repeatedly, clear the app cache completely, then restart your device. After doing this, launch the game again and test it. Now let's talk about login issues. If you can't sign into your account first, double-check your password and username carefully. Sometimes the problem is just a typing mistake, especially on mobile devices. If that doesn't work, reset your password using the recovery option, then try logging in again. Now here's another issue people see a lot: games getting stuck on the loading screen. This usually happens because the device is overloaded or background apps are using too much memory. So here's the fix: close unnecessary apps and tabs, completely restart the device, then open Roblox again. You'd be surprised how often this works. Now let's talk about VPNs and extensions. VPNs, ad blockers, or certain network settings can interfere with Roblox connections. So if you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily, then test the game again. If the error disappears, you already found the problem. Now, another important thing: device compatibility. Some older devices struggle to run newer updates properly, especially after major platform changes. So make sure your phone, tablet, or computer meets the latest requirements. If your device is extremely outdated, some games may stop working completely. Now let's be honest for a second. A lot of players panic immediately, thinking their account is banned or permanently broken, but most of the time the issue is temporary and completely fixable. Usually it's something simple like connection problems, cache conflicts, or outdated software. So instead of trying random fixes all at once, go step by step. That makes troubleshooting much easier and helps you find the real issue faster. So to wrap this up, if you're getting Roblox error codes in 2026, start by checking your internet connection, update the game, clear cache files, restart your device, disable VPNs if needed, and test the game again. Because in most cases, the problem is temporary and completely fixable. And once everything starts working properly again, you should be able to get back into your games normally without any major issues.